Okay, let us see how to create the perspective view of the square pyramid. Week 9th week, question number 3. Okay, first you ensure that you are in 2D drafting annotation mode, and then we will go for keep it in standard views, top view. Then set the units and limits as it is. Okay, then go for creating a top view of the pyramid, square pyramid. Okay, here I am drawing rectangle for the top view. Dimension, one side is 30 mm, so 30, enter, another 30, enter. A square will be created. In addition, that slant edges will be appearing like this. If you see a pyramid from the top, it will be appearing like this. Okay, as soon as you creating pyramid, you name it. Single line text, letter height 3 mm enough, 0 degree angle. Let us give 1, this corner, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then a middle, you give a name apex as a O. Okay, apex name. Now it is given that nearest edge of the base is parallel to and 20 mm behind the picture plane. You have to draw a picture plane. So take a line 20 mm. First you draw along with the edge, random line, and move this line to down 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay, this is called picture plane. You name it. This is PP. Picture plane. This length is 20 mm. So after that, let us create the station point SP. That station point is distance situated at a distance of 70 mm from in front of the PP. In front means this is PP. In front this direction. Rear of the behind the PP upward. Okay. So the in front of the PP 70 mm and 40 mm right of the axis of the pyramid means pyramid axis in the middle. From here 70, here 40. So let us draw one line from the apex reference line. From this point only we are taking 70 mm down, and this side 40, right side 40. Here that station point will be. So we delete the reference line. After creating a point here, we'll delete. We'll create a point to be appearance of the point. First you type pt point type command. You change the point type any suitable size, and size also 2 mm enough to set size in absolute unit. Now you create a point here. Command is po, enter. Okay, this is, you name it as a SP, station point, maybe 5, angle 0, SP, caps SP. Okay, this is station point. From this point only we are seeing this corner edges, everything we need to connect with this station point. I'll delete this reference line. This line is 70, this line is 40. Okay. Now station point, you join all the corners as well as apex. 1 switch off ortho, 1 to SP, 2 to SP, 3 to SP, and 4 to SP, and finally apex O to SP. Okay. Everything we need to follow. Okay. Then next thing, the intersecting with the PP line, this visual rays intersecting with PP line, it should be named as a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, like that. Okay, you will name it. 1 to SP will be named as a 1 dash, maybe smaller letters. 1 2 2 enough, height 0, 1 dash, this is 2 dash, this is O dash. For reference, this is 3 dash, this is 4 dash. These points are important. So with reference to this point to be projected downward, so these points are important. Okay, we will create a point also here. No need of point. If you have a great point, it will be very collapse view. So let it be. This intersection you have to project down. Now center line will be on the station line. Okay, so ground line, let us draw ground line. From here ground line will be 60 mm, 60 mm down. So you draw 60 mm down line from here. From here you draw one ground line. This is called ground line. This is 60 mm. Okay, delete. Now here this is ground line, where you are placing your object on the ground. So let us project this down, corners down. Okay, now let us draw a the pentagonal pyramid front view here. Normal front view. What is the height of the pyramid? 45. 45. Front view. Delete the reference line, projection lines, to avoid confusion. Okay. Otherwise you can go per. Okay. Now let us name the pyramid in the front view, naming the with the dash. Height. Okay. Text. Height a little bit bigger, maybe 4 mm. Okay. Rotation angle 0, 1 dash, 1 dash, in bracket 2 dash, here 4 dash, bracket 3 dash apex O dash. Okay, and here GL ground line, caps GL ground line. Okay, now from the station point we need to connect all the lines. Okay, so you draw switch off ortho. First one and 2 single line, 3 and 4. Okay, you connect all the lines. O apex also. Okay, now only in order to get the perspective view of the object, let us project the 1 dash 2 dash what we mentioned here from the picture plane intersection downward. Okay, so take a line one by one, switch on ortho up to this intersection, this one dash. Okay, 1 dash as well as 2 dash. Okay, then take another line 2 dash up to this 2, 1 and 2 same line, so 2 dash will be representing this intersection. Similar apex later. Okay, so 3 to 3, this one, then 4 to 4, this one. This is the answer shape we are creating. Now finally apex O, you project all these things, all the intersection. O line, this one is O, SP to O. So now let us trim the extended portions of the lines up to that enough. Okay, this also trim. Now we are going to draw the required shape answer. So in order to make it thicker, you make a line weight little bit bigger, and also some other color will be nice. Okay, and make that line weight setting visible, display line weight. Okay, now take a line and start with A, 1. This is 1. First complete base 2, 3, 4, 1 again. Okay, then 1 to apex, 2 to apex. Likewise you draw that slant heights. Okay, line using simple lines you draw slant height, and also this rear edges will be in dotted line. So let us customize the dotted line. Other load the you dotted line dashed pi x you can take, and okay, now it will be customized here. So you select whatever line you want to make it dotted dashed, you select that. Okay, bigger dotted, double click, and the line type scale not there, you change the line type scale, again double click, little bit nearer, bigger, increase, no decrease, 0.2. Okay, 2 also not sufficient 0.5. Okay, then match property with this property with these lines, whatever line you want. Okay, this is the perspective view of the given square pyramid solid. Okay, thank you.